walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, riding around hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Good morning, you guys. So today's video is going to be the kids' outfit of the day. You guys requested this on the last video, which was the get ready with them first day of school. Today is their second day of school. I'm not sure how many outfits of the days I'm going to be doing for you guys because, like I said, my son is the quarterback of the football team. He has practice every day. He has to get up super early. And my daughter, she works and she also has other activities at school as well. So I'm gonna try to do as many of these as I can for you guys. So I'll go ahead and start with my son's outfit. Now, if you guys have not seen any of the other vlogs, I will link them down below where we went back to school shopping and things like that. I will always say this in any video my children are in. My children are not YouTubers. They do not want to be YouTubers. My kids have other goals in life, and being a YouTuber is just not on their list of priorities. So I see that in the comments a lot. My kids are not YouTubers, you guys, and they don't want to be. I'm a YouTuber. I'm not going to force my kids to become YouTubers because that's not what they want to do. So sorry, you guys. I will try to post them as much as I can for you guys, but they are not YouTubers. So enough rambling. So this is a NASA jacket. It comes with the hoodie. It is very, very cool in my children's school. So he is going to wear this nice little light jacket. As you guys can see, it's a NASA jacket. You guys know how he feel about NASA. I will link down below their get ready with them first day of school vlog video. And I will also link down all the back to school shopping videos because you guys was asking me where they got everything from. And you guys, they purchased so many clothes when we went shopping. I cannot remember where each item came from. But if you go back and look in the description, you guys will see the vlogs. You can go see because it says back to school. So this was actually one of the items that he picked out. And then underneath is just a plain, simple white tee because as you guys can see, this jacket has a lot going on already. And I think this jacket came from Burlington, if I can remember. The white tee came from, I think, Macy's, a pack of white tees. And then this is his pants. I'll go ahead and just move his backpack. So these are the pants that he's wearing. I don't know where these pants came from, you guys. Like I said, if you guys go check the back to school shopping vlogs, then you guys can see. So this is just a pair of pants he got. And these are the pants that he's wearing. Right here, I really do like the style on these jeans. Right here. I like these jeans a lot, to be quite honest. But like I said, I don't remember where they're from. And then he just has his Nike socks. And then these are the shoes that he's going to be wearing. If you guys want to know, they are the Nike Air Vapor Max. Yeah, and so I'll show you guys. This is how they look. Just like this. So of course it matches the outfit perfectly. And then he just got his phone, his AirPods, and this is his backpack. So I'll just give you guys a full outfit of the day. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see more. So basically what you're doing is right now, please stop what you're doing. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys are enjoying the back to school videos. That way I know to keep posting them. So this is his outfit of the day. I will show you guys once he is fully dressed how it looks on him. So my son is fully dressed, you guys. This is his outfit of the day. Looks really, really nice. Right here. You guys know he loves NASA, honey. So, yeah, want to turn around so you can see the back? So this is his outfits of the day. Want to say good morning to the people?
Morning.
So have a great day.
Have a good day at school. You know, don't argue with your teachers.
Oh my God. Okay, you guys, so here is Kalia's outfit of the day. Get back so you guys can see. So I cannot remember where everything came from, you guys. Like I said, if you guys go back to the shopping vlogs, that will be linked down below. But I'm going to try to remember. I think this tan dress came from Fashion Nova, I believe. I think I'm 90% sure. This jacket was actually a jacket that she wore for her birthday, which if you guys didn't see that vlog, I did like a mini, I think it was a mini get ready with her Sweet 16 birthday. This is actually the dress she wore. I mean, not the dress. This is actually the jacket she wore in that video with her black dress, I think. Oh, no, it wasn't. She wore a black dress in this jacket and her Nikes or something like that to her birthday dinner party. But in the video, I believe she had on some pants. I don't know. That video will be linked down below, or just type in MsQueenificent's daughter Sweet 16 or something like that. Search it. So I believe this jacket came from either Papaya store or Forever 21. I cannot remember. So this is the jewelry that she's wearing. Just her diamond earrings and 2 silver necklaces. Usually she wear gold accessories, but if you guys can see, the detail on the jacket is silver. So of course you can't, you know, do that. So her dress is kind of long, as you guys can see. Okay. Like I said, she was going to wear some heels, but she chose her Birkenstock. When I did the haul on these shoes, a lot of you guys were saying, oh my God, those are called Jesus shoes. Well, this is what they're called. Birkenstock. Just in case you guys wanted to know, these are the shoes. So a lot of you guys always want to know the shoes information. So this is how her Birkenstock shoes look. I'll go ahead and just take them out. And these came from Journeys. Her outfit of the day, you guys. If she decides to switch her shoes out, I will let you guys know once you guys see her fully dressed and things like that. But like I said, if you guys wanted to see their back to school first day vlog, get ready with them. It will be linked down below. Come back and show you guys exactly how it looks once she's fully dressed.
Good morning, everybody. Today my outfit of the day is this leather jacket that I wore in my birthday video on my birthday. Go check out that video in the description below. I got this jacket from Papaya and I'm wearing my little Fashion Nova dress. It's a nice tan color, it's really long. And I'm wearing my shoes that I got these from the Chinese Mall, this little boutique store. And yes, this is my outfit of the day. And in my little Louis bag.
So you guys are always asking me, who is the junior and who is the freshman? Kalia is what are you, Kalia?
I'm the junior.
And he is the
Freshman.
fresh meat. Fresh meat.
Fresh meat. Fresh meat. Fresh meat.
That's my baby, y'all. Let me stop playing with him. So
Ain't nobody ever called me that.
What?
Ain't nobody ever called me that except y'all two.
I know, I see him in the hall like, fresh meat.
So yeah, this is their OTD of the day, you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
To our YouTube family.
Leave your comments down below. Give the video a big thumbs up. And all my social media links will be down below in the description.
Always gets first dibs. I say that every time in the video. Snapchat always get first dibs. If you want to follow her on Instagram, follow her in the description. It's down below.
So hope you guys enjoyed their OTD of the day. We love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys.
Bye.
Peace.
hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.